Hi, this is a quick video about using live mode in Edpuzzle. So the first thing you want to do is decide which Edpuzzle you want to view in live mode. Now, my suggestion is that you use this as either a warm-up or a closing or a stop and pause to see if students are understanding how to use something in the classroom. I would keep your videos short, 5, no longer than 10 minutes. And maybe give them 3 questions to answer just to see if everybody's getting what you're doing. I tried using a 20-minute video and it was way too long, and I think the kids lost interest in after a while. So anyway, this is how it works. So I am in my classroom. So I'm now in my classroom, and at this point I want to choose one of my assignments to go live. And I've had 2 in here. So I'm just going to choose this one. And you'll see on the side it says Go Live. So you simply click that and you get this screen. And it says Ready to Go Live, and it asks you, it tells you what's going to happen, which basically everything in this screen will appear on the projector up at the front of the room. And then if you are sharing your screen view via Zoom, the students at home will see what's on the projector. So you would share your projector, and it is very small on the screen as well, which is why I say keep it a short video, because it doesn't, when you use your Promethean board, it sort of goes directly in the middle of the screen, and it's small for the students to read, which is why I would limit it, maybe keep it a math problem or something short in science that's enlarged and big and zoomed in that they can see clearly and answer the questions. Okay, so you will hit Go Live. And you will wait for students to become live. So you'll notice this is a linked class, and there are 72 students between my 3 linked classes. That's okay. You can replay it throughout the day. It won't matter because you will be projecting to just the class you're Zooming with or teaching. So eventually you might get to all 72 students. Anyway, you will slowly see this fill up. It'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students, 6 students are live. And you'll just wait for everybody in your class, however many you should know how many are in it. And then once everybody's in, you will click Start. And I'm going to show you what the student screen looks like. Okay, so your student screen will look something like this. It'll say, just waiting on your teacher to go live. I actually stole some screenshots from other videos online. And you might have to run around the room and make sure that they all have it set, waiting for the teacher to go live. They might have to refresh their screen for this to come up. So that took a little bit of doing. It seemed like the students at home were okay, but if they were having trouble, I would just tell them, refresh your screen and wait till it says, just waiting on your teacher to go live. Then you're ready to begin. And you'll click Go Live, and then the students in class will see this ongoing assignment in the projector. And at home, they will see the shared screen from your projector and their Edpuzzle questions. So they'll have kind of a split screen. So I play a little bit of my video.
Germany and England, massive.
And then the question will come up just like it would in a regular Edpuzzle for them, and they will submit their answers. And then you'll keep going through showing video and stopping. And then this is what their screens will look like. And you will see their responses slowly coming up. And then you can show them the correct answer by clicking on it after you see that they've answered it. And then you can even show all their responses to the entire class. It will look something like this before you continue. And so you can test right then and there. Okay, so let's say it was a math problem. You can see which people got it right, what were they getting wrong. And you could use this for maybe figurative language in English, gym class, you're giving a lesson on how to play lacrosse, science. It could be on a lab experiment. So maybe like, what are the most important steps? What are the steps? Just making sure they get it. And then you could rewatch it with them if they're not getting it, and then hit continue. And then when you're all finished, you will just simply click exit live mode. You can exit at any time. You don't have to finish your video. In fact, what happened to me in class, I got stuck not being able to finish it, and I told the students they would have to finish it on their own for homework. So that's why I would suggest that you do 5 to 10 minute video, because by the time you stop, answer the questions as a class, it takes up a lot of time. So keep the video short and you will be fine. The nicest thing is that your entire class is engaged at the same time. You can see which students are not doing the assignment, and you can sort of call them out if you want to. You could say something like, all right, 22 have answered. I'm still waiting for 2 answers, and it will make those students that are at home or in class go ahead and get it answered. So this is pretty much it for live mode. Edpuzzle just keeps getting better and better. Good luck when you try it. Bye-bye.